Happy Sunday, everyone. It's raining. Such a blessing. My battery is dying, and I'm outside with nature. And everybody looking good. This is the only thing I love to hear. Right, this is a voiceover. So earlier today, I was outside, full enjoying the rain, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's raining, and I don't have a gutter. Guess what happened? My nephew brought his tools, attached the guttering for me. So at the end of the video, you see me catching some rainwater. Oh my goodness! This was, amazing because I was just sitting there thinking, God, would it be nice if I could get some rainwater, please, Father? And I just did not know I was actually manifesting, my nephew to come over and actually do it. He even called and says, Auntie, I can come over and do the thing. And I was trying to put him off, and he was adamant he's coming. So, this is just so cool, and I'm just so grateful. So, this is a bit of manifestations as well. You manifest and it just come true immediately. This is just awesome. And I caught some rainwater, and over a few weeks to come, it's going to be raining. Probably tomorrow, tonight again. So, we'll see. You see that? That's the sun. So, the sun and the rain at one time, coexisting in one space, one time. Oh my goodness. So it just finished raining, and I've got my system set up. I've moved my drum from over to the other side to here. I know it's a tight squeeze, but let me move this. But it's just me working up here, so I'll be alright. But yeah, I created this little mesh system. I've got like a chicken coop mesh under there and then a piece of satin fabric on top. And my nephew came back and he did this for me today, so I'm gonna get a little piece for here so that it can go straight down in here. So tomorrow, so yeah, and I'm setting him up right here. Make sure I turn him around. Yep, more water from this. So yep, this is what I've been doing. Let me full up that one already. It's 8 o'clock in the night right now, and I'm just feeling highly blissfulness. You get me? So yeah, just wanted to show you what I'm doing in the garden, and I'm getting rainwater finally in the garden, and I'm really, really chuffed. I'm gonna need something to tie this down, and it wanna think it'll be fine. I'm just excited. Are you excited for me? Tell me something excited for me. Everything's just, seem to be working. Over there says a bit bare at the moment without the drum, but now I can use over there for just my compost heap. So, yep. So that was just a quick video showing you what's going on in the garden. And remember, these videos are showing you that you can start on a minimum supply. You don't have to go out and splash out and buy expensive stuff or wait until you have the money. Oh, I'll save up until I can do that. No, you can do it with what you've got. Just make it work. And it's not going to cost you a lot. It may not cost you anything, but your harvest will be abundance, and that's a fact. So we're having a little bit of rain today, so I just want to see how good this is working. I actually am very excited about this system. Perfect. This is amazing. I'm just so excited. Yesterday it rained, and then today it rained again, and it's just when you're manifesting, don't have any doubt. Just manifest what you want and let it go. Let it go. Let it go, because it comes immediately. Oh my goodness. Everybody's doing well. My pumpkin actually is healing itself. Look. So it's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. But yeah, we're catching some rain, and I'm out here with the plants again. I can't get enough. I think the live copper in the garden makes them grow well. So just finished making, you know, cakes. I'm gonna do dinner in a minute. My daughter has gone to get me some nice fresh fish. I haven't had fish all week. And I'm gonna be making some nice steamed fish in this nice weather with some okra and some potatoes and broccolis and all the nice vegetables. It's a pity I don't have no more pop choy already outside, you know, but I've got some kale and stuff, so I can always put that in with the okra and thing. But yes, today is the beginning of the week, Monday, Moody Monday, but I just call it Motivative Monday. Manifestation Monday. But anyways, I just wanted to say hi. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Me there, I drink some guava tea. Some guava tea. Nice. Having steamed fish tonight, so I need some kale leaves. So take it from the bottom, at the bottom. Yep. Alright, let's go over and get some callaloo. I need some callaloo too. Callaloo too. Let me just take some of this one first. Jeez, that's a big one, isn't it? Let me see. Take him. No, I'm not like him. Take him. Okay, over here so now. And get this bunch of callaloo. I'm just gonna get this callaloo. Yep, doing steamed fish tonight. This is all my vegetable. So I've got some potatoes from my garden, which is nutty. The smell is so nutty. I've got some okra in here, some onion, scallion, sweet pepper, garlic powder, scallion, thyme, a bit of hot bonnet pepper, and some cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna just add the green leaves from my garden. And I've got the callaloo in here so as well. My son said him like the callaloo. So hopefully I can get him eating, you know, the greens and stuff. And then we're just going to put this on a slow, medium heat. And then that's it. We're just going to keep it cooking until it's ready. Yeah, I never get no bammy. I forget to tell her I forget some bammy. I never get no bammy, so we'll work with that. Okay, let me put something on this as well. Hold on. Put some fish tea soup on it as well, just to give it a bit of, you know, flavor. All right. Leave this open so I kind of have this, you know, hardness about it. I may already tip some water in there, so that's it.